What's up, everybody? My name is Kevin Van Voris.
And I'm David Van Voris.
We are the owners of Van Voris Bros Productions. We host All Out Roll Racing and the Flashlight Shootout here at the Amarillo Dragway. So we are making a huge, giant announcement. It'll be probably the biggest thing that myself and my brother have ever done. We are going to be taking on the project of giving the Amarillo Dragway a facelift. Completely, front to back, top to bottom, we're going to redo the entire track. The reason we're going to do that, I'm going to let my brother get into that.
We've been holding events here ever since I moved here, which was 6 years ago. We've had the Flashlight Shootout, and now we've added the All Out Roll Race Series. And now we want to expand and have other promoters come into town with large events that travel the country, but they only usually go to bigger cities and top tier facilities. So we want to have Amarillo Dragway as a top tier facility. That way everyone in Amarillo, Texas can enjoy what some of the bigger tracks do. But in order to do that, we've got to do a facelift on Amarillo Dragway.
Yeah, so this is also going to help keep street racing off the streets in the Panhandle, and that's something that me and my brother are super passionate about. We want to make sure that kids have a safe place to go. That way you can come do roll racing, you can come do the Flashlight Shootout, or you can come do any of the events that we have hopefully coming in 2025. So, but we do need your guys' help. If you want to donate $1, $100, if you're a business owner that wants to be part of this project, we are going to be literally redoing the entire facility. So if you guys don't know, the Amarillo Dragway, it is not a huge facility. The Dragway itself was purchased by the original owners. So it's the son of the original owners. He kept it just because his parents are the ones who opened it. He's pretty much given me and my brother free reign to help kind of bring this facility back to life and kind of show you guys what we envision in a Tier 1 facility. So we are going to be redoing the entire parking lot. As you guys can see behind you, it's not that great. The staging area needs to be redone. The parking lot needs to be redone. The bathrooms need to be done. We want to redo the track. We want to redo the entire thing. And it's going to cost a lot of money, and we're going to need a lot of help from you, business owners, companies who are in the automotive performance section. We need your guys' help. So me and my brother, we're doing this as a passion project. The drag strip itself, it doesn't make any money. It just makes enough money to stay open and pay its employees. He only kept this around because his parents are the ones who actually started the Dragway, and he wants to keep it in his name. So me and my brother, we're super passionate about drag racing and roll racing, and we want to keep it alive. Every time I see a drag strip shut down, it hurts. But we are fortunate enough to have a drag strip in our backyard in Amarillo, Texas. So that's just something that we want to do. We want to make sure that this facility is a Tier 1 facility. So
we're going to start with, the biggest thing is going to be the parking lot. That way we can have people that have nice rigs. You can work on your car in the parking lot instead of having to lay in gravel. So I think phase 1 of the project is going to be redoing the entire parking lot and the staging lanes.
Yeah, so that's
going to cost a lot.
It is. So over the next several weeks and months, we're going to be putting together sponsorship packages. If you don't own a business and you just want to donate because you want to see this facility be a badass facility, let me know. You can message us directly on Facebook or Instagram. If you own a business and your business wants to be involved, I will work out whatever you want as far as signage on the drag strip. Like I said, me and my brother have free reign basically to make this whatever kind of facility we want. We just want this facility to be here for several years. We don't have to worry about houses moving in next door or anything like that, like in some of those bigger cities. We can pretty much do whatever we want, and we want this here for a long time. So this is something that me and my brother are super passionate about. We just need your guys' help. So if you aren't following the Van Voris Bros Productions page, please make sure you guys give it a like. We're going to be doing updates on this page, and we will be starting our sponsorship packages here coming soon in the coming weeks. If you guys want to be a part of the project and you're already ready to go, you want to donate some money, or you have ideas on how to get this funded, please shoot us a message. We would be happy to meet with you. We want this project to start before the 2025 season, and then over the next several months and years, we continue to redo the entire facility. So thank you guys for always supporting me and my brother. We really appreciate it. We hope that you guys can help us with this giant project we're overtaking. Anything else you want to say?
Let's make Amarillo Dragway great again.
I say let's make Amarillo Dragway great again. Thank you guys for supporting. We appreciate it.